Welcome to day 16. Here we are on our third day of metric, and we are going to go over the exit ticket from yesterday and then move on to a different type of metric. 80 liters equaled blank milliliters. So we know 1 liter, and if we don't know it up here, we have a table that shows us this. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Therefore, 18 liters will give you 18,000 milliliters. 18 liters times that 1,000 milliliters per liter gives you the 18,000 milliliters. The second one on the for your exit ticket. 2 kiloliters equals how many milliliters? 1 kiloliter equals 1 million milliliters. So 2 kiloliters gives you 2 million milliliters. 2 kiloliters times 1 million milliliters per kiloliter gives you that 2 million. And the last one on the exit ticket from yesterday was 22 kiloliters equals how many liters? Well, 1 kiloliter makes 1,000 liters. Therefore, 22 kiloliters will make 22,000 liters. 22 kiloliters times 1,000 liters per kiloliter gives you 22,000. Okay, so as promised, we're going to move on to a different type of metric, weight. Now, I think that this we're going to be a little bit more familiar with than the kiloliters and the milliliters that we were talking about yesterday. Now, we're familiar yesterday to the word liter, but I can pretty much say that I don't think any of you have ever had to deal with anything with kiloliters. Well, today we're going to focus in on grams, milligrams, and kilograms. Okay? I would bet a lot of you have heard grams and kilograms. Maybe not had to deal with milligrams, but might have heard of it. So, 1 gram, okay, a gram is very, very light. You know, a gram is as light as a paper clip, okay? That's how light a gram is. So if I have 1 gram, that's equivalent to 1,000 milligrams. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. That's like 1,000 paper clips. Okay? Which is also known as 1 million milligrams. I had to draw an arrow because I ran out of space. Here is the table that I made with that information. So 1 gram makes 1,000 milligrams. 1 kilogram makes 1,000 grams, which also makes 1 million milligrams. If you give yourself some time, hit the pause button if you have not copied this down yet. Once again, you're going to need all this information to help you with these problems and your exit ticket questions. All right, so here's the first example. 5 grams equals how many milligrams? So if I have 5 paper clips, how much is that going to weigh in milligrams? So we know 1 gram makes 1,000 milligrams. So 5 grams will make 5,000 milligrams. 5 grams times 1,000 milligrams per 1 gram gives you that 5,000 milligrams. And don't forget to record that down because you're going to need that for the exit ticket. All right, our next one. 17 million, not 17,000, 17 million milligrams. How many kilograms will that be? Use your table and give it a shot. Okay, so we know, according to our chart in our table that you hopefully recorded down, we know 1 kilogram makes 1,000 grams, which makes 1 million milligrams. But I have 17 million. So if I have 17 million, that's going to give me 17,000 grams, which is going to give me 17 kilograms. 17 million divided by 1 million gives you that 17 kilograms. Once again, we could have used one of the tricks that we used yesterday. We could shift. A million is 10 to the 6th power. So we could shift it 6 times, right? Or we could cancel out a zero, a place value, from each side. So if you cancel out each side a place value until you have no more place values to cancel out, which leaves you with 17 divided by 1, giving you 17. All right, number 3. 2 kilograms equals how many milligrams? Go ahead and do that now. All right, so we know that 1 kilogram is going to give you 1,000 grams and 1,000,000 milligrams, all equivalent to each other. So 2 kilograms is going to give you 2,000 grams, 2 million milligrams. And how I would write that expression is saying 2 kilograms times 1 million milligrams per kilogram will give you that 2 million milligrams. All right, number 4, 4 kilograms. How many grams will that be? Hit the pause button and go ahead and do it. We know 1 kilogram makes 1,000 grams. So 4 kilograms will give you 4,000 grams. 4 kilograms times the 1,000 grams per kilogram gives you 4,000 grams. Number 5, 2,000 milligrams gives you how many grams? Hit the pause button, take a few seconds or a little bit longer, and solve. 2,000 milligrams equals how many grams? 1 gram we know makes 1,000 milligrams. So 2,000 milligrams is going to make 2 grams. 2,000 milligrams divided by 1,000 milligrams per gram. Sorry, that's my daughter knocking on the door. Those things happen when you're at home, right? 2,000 milligrams divided by 1,000 milligrams per gram will give you that 2 grams. All right, this last one's going to be a little tricky, okay? little tricky. So take your time. I want you to really think about this because you already have part of the answer. Okay? 8 kilograms, 443,000 milligrams. So that's a combination altogether. So 8 kilograms, 433,000 milligrams. We're going to combine that together. How many milligrams is that? So you already have part of the answer. You have that part because it's in milligrams. So you need to convert that guy and then combine them for milligrams. Go ahead and do that now. Okay. 1 kilogram, we know, makes 1 million milligrams. Not that we're ever going to use that ourselves, unless we're some type of major scientists. Potentially, that's where I could see where we can use those measurements. But for our sake and our understanding, 1 kilogram makes 1 million milligrams. 8 kilograms will make 8 million 8 million milligrams. That's all to say. So that's the 8 right there. And now we got to combine it with the 433,000 milligrams. We end up getting 8,433,000 milligrams is what goes there. 8,433,000 milligrams. All right. So hopefully you're feeling pretty confident about this. Hopefully you saw yourself grasping information you weren't previously getting. Or maybe some of us, this was a breeze and this was a great review and you're going to do awesome no matter what on the exit ticket. So make sure you've gotten all your answers ready to rock and roll for the first 6 questions on the exit ticket, and then go ahead and actually do the 3 exit ticket questions at the end. Best of luck, and we'll see you back tomorrow.